My child runs from one place to the other the whole day, doesn't do anything. How do I make a schedule for my child so that at least they're doing the things? Yes, that's the topic for today. Hello everybody, Rajni here, SASHAKT Empowering Lives. Yet another topic here with you. Today we're going to talk about the visual schedule or the written schedule. And why is it important? How do you make it? First of all, assess your child in 5 areas: behavior, language, self-help, academics, and social skills. Next, also you can add sensory to this. Next, please feel free to connect with us if you want detailed checklists on what your child can do and what your child cannot do. In case you want to do it yourself, in which case you must have a detailed understanding of what your child is presently capable of doing and what your child needs to do for their age. When you will plan accordingly, then be realistic. Take 2 goals for 1 month, 2 in each area. I'll cut down 2 behaviors. I'll improve language in 2 areas. I'll teach the child, let's say, a what and a who. Okay. I'll teach the child to say hello and bye independently. Okay. I'll teach the child to make their bed. I'll teach the child to take a bath, maybe brush. You can take ADL skills and more. And in academics, you will have more than 2 goals. That, okay, it could be coloring. It could be coloring within spaces, like I said. It could be counting. So counting for the value of 3 and 4. So go slow, but be very, very thorough. Then it could be sitting and doing some art and craft activity. It could also be, reading CVC words. I'm just assuming if your child is that level. If the child is not that level, then identification of alphabets. Depending upon what your child's current level is, you, my dear, are going to do all of the planning around it. Then in social, it could even be talking to Dadi Nani, saying hi, answering a couple questions, which you will again structure. So in this way, you're going to have the entire day outline. It could be opening pea cards, matar chilna. It could be helping you adjust things in the fridge. It could be putting up the washing machine. It could be taking off clothes from the clothesline or adjusting the utensils, the washed utensils in the proper racks in the kitchen, etc. It could be watering the plants. So like this, you have a couple of goals that the child is supposed to do throughout the day. Now, once you have your list of things that you want the child to do throughout the day, and also add some leisure time activity to it. That, okay, these 10 minutes you will watch TV. Please don't be just so scared of the screen. I've seen people run at the name of the screen. That's not needed. That is also a part of your daily day-to-day routine. So, when you do it like this, you put all these things in place. So it becomes a completely structured and routine for the day, starting from the minute they wake up. Use a visual schedule, use visual cards, and let the child pull out the card from your wall, which you can stick using the glue tag. Let the child put the cards in a box. As they do it, their life will get so much structured. As their life will get structured, the need for running from one place to the other, making strange sounds, looking from the corner of the eye, trying to get your attention by doing everything they're not supposed to do, completely gets taken care of. That need is finished and they are doing things which they should be doing. Also, if your child is grown up, you could be taking up, okay, reading the clock. You could be taking up passing on the message from the father to the mother. You'll have to structure all that. Father will have to give a call. So all of these you'll have to factor in. You could be taking up reading something, sitting down and reading. Now, if you are somebody who says, all said and done nice, but my child will not listen and run from one place to the other. Well, in which case, you need our Know Your Child program, where step by step we teach you how to do that. You can go to the description box below. There are links to our app. There are links to our books, customized books. There are links to the Know Your Child program, to everything that we do, and the YouTube channels, English and Hindi, and the live, Instagram live, so that you, my dear friends, know exactly how to parent your child well. Yeah, structure your child's day like this, and you will see magical results with your child. Within a month, your child will have uh, functional rigid patterns, which means they will automatically go and sit at the place that you have put up. They will, do the work as is required, and you will see behaviors completely gone out of the window. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share with somebody who needs it. Like I said, go to the description box, have a variety of material there. Click on whatever you need and start learning. Always remember, a learned parent creates an empowered, capable child. I will meet you again with another video another time. Until then, keep working with your child.